please tell me again what happened to it?
My son had dropped the tablet while using it.
Mm-hmm.
And trying to get it repaired so that way that he's able to continue playing his educational games on it to get it fixed.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, no problem. And Makachoke.
Okay.
It's ready.
Perfect.
Just please check the
Okay.
functions and everything.
Okay.
No cracks anymore. That's good.
Everything looks like it loads up. Everything looks good.
This is a film. Is that okay to take it off?
Yes.
Because it's new. Look at that.
Perfect.
Beautiful, right?